I'm Anil Kumar. We'll now discuss about forming teams that contain both or neither. Now, there could be many circumstances when this really happens. So, let us take a very general case. Let us say we have a group of 12 persons, right? So, we have a group of 12 persons. Now, out of this group of 12 persons, there are two members, A and B, right? So, A and B are in this group of 12 persons who either want to be together in a team or they don't want to be there, right? So we say both or neither, right? So then they say we will work together whether we are in team or out. So together, they want to work together whether they want to be in the team or they are out of the team. Do you understand? So we are considering these two cases. So we have a group of 12 persons in which there are two persons who either wants to be in the team or they don't want to be in the team, but they want to be together. That's the key, right? So they want to be together. Now, let us say we want to form a team of 5 members. Team of 5 members. Then, how many possible teams can be formed, right? So we want to find team of 5 members. The question is, how many teams of 5 members can be formed from a group of 12 persons so that these two members are together, whether they are in the team or they are not in the team. Do you get an idea, right? So that is what it is. So let's see how many, right? So what we can do in such cases is that we can form 2 groups, correct? So we have 2 groups. So let's see, the possibilities are that both could be in the team. So we have both in team, right? So we have both in team, right? Or we have neither in team. So that's how we get our topic, which is teams that contain both or neither. Now, out of these 12 persons, we are selecting 5. If we have already taken 2, we are left with 3 positions, right? So both are already in the team. So what we're trying to say here is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. Now, once these 2 members, A, B, have occupied places, right? We are actually left with 3. So basically, in this case, we have to select 3 out of remaining 10. Do you see that? So if we take away 2, we are left with 10 persons, right? So it is 10 persons, and these 2 are A and B, right? So these 2 are A and B. So we have to select 3 out of 10, so it is 10C3. In this case, A and B has opted out, so we have no option. We have to select all 5 from these 10. So it will be 10C5. It is a case of combination since order is not critical, correct? So that becomes the solution. So when we are talking about both or neither, we could actually solve the question as shown here. So our answer will be, now we can write down that number of teams with 5 members from a group of 12 where 2 wants to be in or out of the team, right? So they are of the team, right? So they are either in the team or not in the team, right? So it is 10C3 plus 10C5. So that is the answer, right? So you can always use the calculator, find the answer. You also know the formula. Let me write down the formula. You can apply the formula, calculate, right? So 10, I should say, n general formula. NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial, right? So better, let's find the answer using calculator. It is 10C3, which is 120, plus 10C5, which is 10C5, right? 252. So let's add this. So we have 120 plus 252. Okay, so we'll add 2 again, plus 2, right? So I missed 2. So we have 372, right? Makes sense, correct? We can confirm. So there are 372. What am I doing? So let me rewrite. So this is 372 teams can be formed where these 2 members may be in the team or they're not in the team, but they're together, right? That's kind of important to understand. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you and all the best.